If you own a home in Harris County, there is a good chance you are paying more property tax than you legally owe. Most homeowners who protest win, saving hundreds every year. Here is exactly how the process works in 2026. Step 1. Check your assessment. HCAD values are often too high. Check your address for free at appealmytax.dev/calculator to see your real county records in 30 seconds. Step 2. File your protest. The deadline is May 15th, but Texas tax code allows late protests for good cause until mid-July. Use HCAD iFile. Step 3. Build your evidence. You need comparable sales and an equity analysis showing similar homes are assessed lower than yours. Professional evidence wins protests. Step 4. Take the informal settlement. HCAD's iSettle system often makes an offer before a hearing. If it reflects your evidence, take it and finish. Step 5. The ARB hearing. It is not a courtroom. Present your comparables, state your value, and stay factual. Organized homeowners win most of the time. A successful protest saves around $400 a year. Check your home free at appealmytax.dev/calculator and see where you stand.